As photographers, we buy DSLRs with high hopes of capturing amazing photos, but up till now, pushing the limits of what can be captured has come with countless accessories, high price tags, and complicated setups. We've designed one accessory that will unlock all of that potential you saw in your DSLR the first time you held it. Get ready to be blown away again and again by CamBuddy Pro. Have you ever wanted to capture an amazing time-lapse with all the imaging potential of your DSLR? Your CamBuddy Pro will do it. Why should you have to pay that outrageous price for an intervalometer just to unlock the same features in your professional camera? Now you don't have to. CamBuddy Pro gives you full intervalometer capabilities from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to capture amazing time-lapses. And we all have smartphones, tablets, or laptops. Why do most of our DSLRs require a cable, expensive software, or costly equipment to connect to those devices? CamBuddy Pro unlocks to remotely connect to your device of choice wirelessly from up to 100 feet away. Then lets you wirelessly preview and review, empowering you to frame amazing photos. And finally, enables you to capture the ever-elusive DSLR selfie. What about all of the equipment and complex setups necessary for high-speed photography? Like light triggering to capture that perfect shot of lighting on a beautiful stormy summer night. CamBuddy Pro unlocks light-triggered high-speed photography in the same singular device. And then also unlocks your ability to control a multitude of your camera settings wirelessly. Features like exposure compensation, ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. And then we take high-speed triggering to the highest level with sound and laser triggering, freeing up your hands to facilitate your shot while CamBuddy handles everything else. Despite the large size of photos, CamBuddy Pro unlocks high-speed wireless transfers at up to 35 megabits per second, copying them to your device almost instantly, freeing up your hands to facilitate your shot while CamBuddy Pro handles all the triggering. And with CamBuddy Pro, we don't limit you to just one camera. You can control up to 12 CamBuddy Pro equipped DSLRs from a single device. So you can capture amazing things like this Matrix style bullet time test we made. You already know what these features would normally cost you. All the extra bags it would take to carry them around and the time and expertise it takes to use them. How much would those of you professional photographers pay to just combine all of that equipment into this small and portable of a package? This is CamBuddy Pro. Unlock your true potential as a photographer. Our final prototype is ready for production. Support our campaign and help us deliver this amazing product to everyone.
We live on a planet that's 71% water, yet we've only explored 10% of it. We're about to change that. The Fathom 1 is an easy-to-use underwater drone that you control with your smartphone or tablet. We designed it to be the most affordable, most versatile underwater drone ever made. And after 2 full years of prototyping and development, we're finally ready to bring underwater exploration and education to the masses. I'm John.
I'm Matt. And I'm Danny. And we're a team of outdoor enthusiasts, scuba divers, engineers, and travelers that had an idea for an underwater drone that we could take anywhere and use in any environment. I grew up spending summers on Lake Louise in northern Michigan, where a lot of large logging operations took place in the 1800s. Jump forward 200 years and now every cottage has artifacts and pieces of history on their walls that washed up on the beach. But there are still legends of horse-drawn sleds that fell through the ice and got stuck at the bottom, just waiting to be explored. I thought if I could control an aerial drone from a mobile app to explore from above, why couldn't I do the same thing from underwater? That's when Fathom was born.
Underwater remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, have been around for a while, but they're mainly large, expensive industrial devices tethered to big ships. And early consumer ROVs, inspired by their big brothers, cost well over $1,000 with no mobile app for piloting. And you need to be a pretty good hacker to put them together.
We knew we wanted an underwater drone that anyone could drop into any body of water and pilot easily using an app on their smart device. And it had to be small and light enough to carry around, meaning a completely new compact design. It had to come fully assembled out of the box, including an onboard 1080p HD camera and built-in high-intensity LED headlights for clear viewing. And it had to be as affordable as lower-cost flying drones with comparable equipment so that every modern-day explorer could have one. We built the Fathom One with all of those features, and thanks to custom components and a streamlined design, now you can have it for under $600. That's less than half the price of the closest competition.
Above all, we made the Fathom One super easy to use, but that doesn't mean it's limited. This thing is fully modular. Our patent-pending thruster attachment system allows you to easily remove all 3 thrusters for packing, but it also enables customization and upgrades to specialized thrusters, such as these ones with larger fins for stabilization. And we're hoping our backer community will create and share their own ideas for customization. Fathom One also features an integrated rail system that makes adding accessories like action cameras and additional lights or other sensors a breeze. Just slide it on, click it in, and you're ready to go.
We put everything that we have into making underwater exploration and education more accessible to the masses. We built the prototypes, validated our designs, and now ready to go into full-scale manufacturing. All that's left is for you, the Kickstarter community, to show us that you want an underwater drone that's affordable, portable, modular, and completely easy to use right out of the box. Fathom is your chance to go deep and see the world in an entirely new way. The possibilities are truly endless. What can you fathom?
London, Paris, New York, Shanghai. Petty theft is common in major cities around the world. According to recent numbers, 400,000 pickpocket incidents occur every day around the world, and these are just the reported numbers. In the metro, a lot of commuters use this goofy way of wearing day bags in the front to outsmart the pickpockets. As a solution to this, the Dutch award-winning brand XT Design has come up with a revolutionary zero-entry anti-theft backpack. Different from normal bags, its genius lies in its unique rear-open structure with hidden zipper fully fitted into your back. In addition to that, high-density and lightweight materials have been added into the fabric, which protects your bag from being slashed or crushed. As a powerful weapon against thieves, it is named Bobby. This backpack comes with a dozen of edge-cutting features like anti-theft, cut-proof, water-resistant, weight balance, night security, USB external charging, etc. How thoughtful! Have you ever imagined being cuddled by a bag 12 hours a day? Our man Sven, 28 years old, like many office workers, he spends 2 hours on the metro every day. Arriving at the ticket barriers, he's already way ahead of others. 3 hidden pockets have been specially designed for quick access to small items. Super convenient. Inside the subway station, he feels safe and secure. The backpack's unique anti-theft feature is reflected in the design. The zipper pulls to the main compartment are completely hidden against your back, leaving nothing but the puzzles to thieves. No wonder he appears so relaxed. Now it's time for work. He starts to prepare for his day. Impressive! Thanks to the multi-divider structure, this small bag has ample storage on the inside and so organized. Isn't that cool? To help you combat the uncertainties, this bag is also spill and stain resistant. Your bag will look brand new. Just wipe it with a cloth. The back panels are made of mesh constructure breathable material, ergonomically designed to bring you extra comfort while you wear your bag all day. Since the weight leans firmly against your back, weight is distributed more evenly, and your back will feel 20% lighter than traditional backpacks. Watch out, you may become addicted to it. After a long day, is your mobile phone running on just one bar? No need to panic. Simply connect the phone to the external charging port. No need to take out your power bank from inside. So easy. Nowadays, people lead busy and hectic lives, and public security systems are not always reliable. How can we feel safer, gain back our stride of confidence and freedom? Choose the Bobby backpack and take charge of your life. XT Design.
What if your sore muscles that are caused by long working hours, or your backaches that come from sitting down, or even your stiff shoulders that come from poor posture, can all be relieved at last with a massage you've always needed? What if this massage could be worn? Get your on-demand massage with AeroWear, the intelligent massage jacket. Use it anytime, anywhere. AeroWear has 6 air-powered massage modules that deliver the acupressure massage. It has an integrated posture assessment system. The jacket doesn't just track posture, it automatically massages the lower back whenever you adopt a poor position. But that's not all there is to this intelligent jacket. The design of AeroWear is versatile and discreet. You can pair it with your favorite outerwear. Use the jacket for up to 3 hours and charge it wherever you go. You can wear it when you go about running your daily errands, or even when you're just relaxing together.
Oh my God. This is working. It's really inconspicuous. I could see myself wearing this at the office.
Keep this forever. This is great. I want to wear this for the rest of the show.
To relieve some of that tension in the shoulder and back. And I've got really terrible posture from several years working here at Engelty. So this feels pretty damn good right now.
Realized through our own patented touch technology, AeroWear was developed by a seasoned team of engineers and experienced industrial designers. We've developed our very own wearable massage modules, lightweight sensors, smartphone app, and a unique vest made from specially designed airbags. The jacket doesn't just give you custom massages, it creates body compression, which helps you relax. AeroWear tracks your posture real-time with integrated sensors. And with collected data, AeroWear maps your journey towards better posture. So picture a tomorrow where you can work refreshed, where your gaming experience is brought to an entire new level. As for your driving trips, they are now back pain-free. And your flights? First-class experience isn't that far away after all. We are now ready to move into production. And all we need is your help. Back us so we can deliver AeroWear to your doorstep, to bring you massage in a package. Thank you for your support, for helping us reinvent comfort.